Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with a transparent base. This is my pouring medium that it's white right now, but it dries clear. You can use your own pouring medium. Every pouring mediums dry kind of clear, maybe a little yellowish, but still on the clear side. You can even use Floetrol and some gloss varnish in it and water to consistency. Play with it. It goes if it's the right consistency and if it's dry clear. So today I will do a flip cup and I will add my pouring medium on the bottom. And I will drizzle a little bit of gold. I will try not to add a lot of color today. At least I will try. And some metallic cobalt blue, my artist loved. Remember, this will not be white. And some phthalo blue. And maybe drizzle a little bit of transparent base here too. I'm just playing, experimenting. This is why what I love, you know, with this fluid art, that I can play, see what will happen. Magenta, Diox purple, and I have some pearl white. This is a pigment, pearl pigment of one Slovenian brand. So, because I don't have white for now. And red violet. And I will try to kind of add a layer of this transparent base again. As I said, I want just a little bit of color to see what they will create and how this will, impact, the whole composition. Add some interesting maybe details or whatever, I don't know. This time I will add a little more color, some gold, some phthalo blue. Okay, so my cup is done. You know, maybe this is a little bit bothering for filming the video, because maybe this result will not look nice, but it will dry nice. But it's all about the end result. You know, yeah, it's about the process too, but you know, mostly the end result should be something that we like. And it's a part of a surprise somehow, because this is just transparent base pouring medium. Because you don't know, you can kind of predict in your head what you think this will look like, but you have to wait till it's dry. Okay, and I will kind of release it like that. And I will leave all these drips because, you know, when some of parts of this white will dry clear, I wonder how it will look like. And here comes the fun part of this transparent base, because I can imagine how this part will look like when it will be dry, but I'm not sure. So maybe I should just spin it out. Let's do that. Just go a little over the edges like that. Just a gentle spin, because maybe I like the composition and I will not spin anymore. I'm just not sure about these drips. I have a lot of paint left, so I will just tilt this a little more. I will leave it now. One more torch. Okay, so now I will take it down for a close-up and try to explain what I'm expecting to see when it will dry. Okay, definitely an interesting one. I don't know why. You see all this stuff under this white. I'm expecting this white to dry clear, because I kind of assume that this is my pouring medium, and I wonder how those layers will look like after. Beautiful stuff. And you know, this will dry clear too, so there will not be this line. It will be different. You see all the stuff underneath, that it will come through when it will dry. Definitely really interesting technique. So stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is dry, and I just love it. Look at all those layers under layers under layers. It's so gorgeous. Maybe some of you will think that it's just, I don't know, nothing on canvas, or how can I say, but I'm in love with this. I'm kind of thinking to do a sandwich with this transparent base slash pouring medium and just gold and black, maybe different shades of gold and black, and see how that would turn out. You see, here was a white spot and here, and now it's transparent and you see through, and I see kind of an eye here. It's just so cool. And that pearl, you see it almost like glitter. I don't know if I want to use that pearl again, but it's kind of interesting. Adds some sparkle here and there, and gold sparkling here. I'm really happy with this one. And I used my scrape offs for my next project on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. It's interesting one too. Scrape offs and some transparent base and something else. Yeah. Tell me what you think about this. I'm just so excited about this, and I definitely want to explore this more, this sandwich, invisible sandwich kind of pour. I will call it invisible sandwich pour, because you don't see what will happen while you do a sandwich. Thanks for being here, and see you again on Wednesday. Bye.